Hello everyone, this is Maria and welcome to Aling M Tv. Enjoy watching and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Oh, alam nyo na. Let's go!
For today's video, we're going to make the other version of a paper band craft set from Daiso. Let's try this paper band square basket. Ready na ba kayo? Let's start making! Here are the things we need. To start the basket, prepare and cut the paper bands according to its needed measurement. For the A, cut 5 white paper straps with 19 centimeters long each. Then another 5 straps for B. For the C, cut 2 white paper straps with 10.5 centimeters each. Cut it in half horizontally to make 4 straps. Now for the D, cut 2 pink paper straps with 46 centimeters long each. Cut it in half horizontally to make 4 straps. Get a strap from it, then set aside the 3 straps for D. Then cut 2 straps with a 20 centimeters long each for the E. Then the remaining 6 centimeters will be the F. Line up straps A and C as shown here, then fix it temporarily with tape. Apply glue to the end parts of C together with A straps. Then attach 2 straps of B to it. Just checking the manual if I did it correctly. Then put the other 3 straps of B between A straps to its regular intervals as shown in the video. Just having a hard time fixing it, but it seems okay now. Fold all the extending straps to form a square box. Apply glue around the outside part of the basket, both upper and bottom part, then get the D straps and attach to it. Then glue the inside upper part of the basket, then attach the other D strap. Fix and hold it with clothespins until the glue dries up. Now for the handle, prepare the E straps, apply glue to both ends of the strap, then attach it here. Fix and hold it with clothespins. Then get the F strap, apply glue, then wrap it to the middle part of the handle. Fix and hold it with clothespins. And that's it! Our paper band square basket is ready to use. That's for today's video. Thank you for watching and enjoy making!